In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down list for data validation in Google Sheets. Drop-down lists are an excellent way to standardize input data and reduce errors in your spreadsheets, making your data management tasks much smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, go ahead and open your Google Sheet. If you haven't created a spreadsheet yet, you can start a new one by going to Google Sheets on your browser. Once you're in your Google Sheet, you need to decide where you'd like to place the drop-down list. Click on a cell where you want the drop-down to appear. This could be a single cell, or you could select multiple cells if you want the list to be available in several places simultaneously. After selecting your desired cell, look towards the top of the screen. Click on Data in the main menu bar to open a drop-down menu of options. In this menu, find and click on Data Validation. This is where you'll set the criteria for your drop-down list. Now, you'll see a panel on the right side of your screen. Click on the plus add rule button. This is where you'll begin to define the specifics of your drop-down list. In the criteria field that comes up, click the drop-down list option. This step is essential, as it's where you define how your data validation will operate. Next, you'll have a few options for where your drop-down list can draw data from. Select Drop-down from a range. This choice allows the list to pull options from a specified range of cells in your sheet, making it dynamic and flexible. You'll then need to choose your data range. This is the set of cells that contain the items you want to appear in your drop-down list. Click on the Theme Colors tab if that's applicable to your sheet, or simply navigate to the sheet and cells where your list options are located. Highlight the list of items you want to include. Once your range is selected, confirm your choice by clicking OK. Now, configure each option with a color, if you wish, by selecting a color legend. This is an optional but handy visual cue. Moving forward, click on Advanced Options to refine how the drop-down behaves when someone tries to enter a value not present in your drop-down list. Here, you'll see the option to reject the input, which is useful if you want to maintain strict data entry controls, ensuring only list-approved values can be entered. Finally, confirm all your settings by clicking Done. Your drop-down list is now active. To test it, simply click on the cell you configured and view the selection list. Try selecting an item and then experiment by inputting a non-existent item followed by hitting the Enter key. You should see your validation rules in play, keeping your data entry precise. If prompted, click OK to acknowledge any messages. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down list for data validation in Google Sheets, enhancing both the reliability and usability of your data. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Google Sheets pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy spreadsheeting!